grow as men,
manje mawukhula njengendoda
you must grow with wisdom.
kumele ukhule nokuhlakana
Like Solomon,
njengoSolomon
with all his education in the synagogue
nayo yonke imfundo yakhe yasesinagogeni
and in the temple.
nasethempelini.
But when God asked him, what do you want me to give you?
Kodwa uNkulunkulu bese mbuza ukuthi ufuna ngikwenzeleni noma
He says, give me wisdom
uthi nginika ubuhlakani
so that I may be able
ukuze ngizokwazi
to come in and come out in front of these people.
ngiphume ngingene phambi kwalabantu.
Now, when you grow as men,
Manje mawukhula njengendoda
you must grow here
kumele ukhule
in the knowledge of Christ,
ekwazini uKristu
in the wisdom
ebuhlakanini.
that's brought down by the Holy Spirit. Man has weaknesses.
Amadoda ke anobuthaka.
Let's talk about that.
Asikhulume ngalokho ke manje.
Now, I'm not going to say ningangicebi kumakhosikazi.
Ngeke ngisho ukuthi ningangicela kumakhosikazi.
I'm asking you.
Ngicela ukuthi
I'm going to tell you this truth.
ngizokutshela leli qiniso.
If you want to hit me
Mawufuna ungishaya
or beat me,
ungikhwele ngendonga.
God is going to open a door here.
uNkulunkulu uzovele
I'm going
nje.
to come out of there.
Ngiphume la.
Your first weakness
Ubuthaka bakho bokuqala
is the woman.
umuntu wesifazane.
The problem with us
Inkinga ngathi
is that we like to say we are saved.
siyathanda ukuthi sindisiwe thina.
Our what? Our feelings, our feelings are dead.
Ethi imizwa nje bazalwane ifile. Nkosi yami.
Let me tell you namhlanje.
Ithi ngikutshele ke
Let
namhlanje.
me just tell you
Athi kugive.
with a capital letter T. I'll tell you,
Ngothi omkhulu.
your feelings are not dead.
Akho mizwa yakhe efile.
Your feelings are well alive.
Aphila saka.
If you ignore the truth,
Uma ulishaya indiva lelo
the
qiniso.
devil is going to kill you.
Okubulala usathana.
You know why God gives you the Holy Spirit?
Uyazi yini uNkulunkulu akunika
To be
umoya?
able to mortify your flesh.
Ukuthi akwazi ukubamba inyama yakho.
We must come to the knowledge of the Son of God.
Kumele sifinyelele ekwazini indodana.
Coming into the knowledge of the Son of God
ukufinyelela ekwazini indodana kaNkulunkulu
is the mental state of a Christian man. This stature where you are respected,
kodwa manje kuleli zinga la ohlonishwa khona
that level must grow unto the fullness.
fanele usuke futhi kulelo zinga uyofinyelela ekuphelelisweni.
It must not be comparable to my stature,
Akumele kuqhathaniswe kwelami izinga.
not comparable to your pastor,
Kungaqhathaniswa futhi nomfundisi.
but it must rise to the fullness of Christ.
Kodwa fanele kufinyelele ekwazini
In other words, if you want to be a man,
okusho ukuthi mawufuna ukuba indoda
you start here
uqala la
and say, that's where I'm going to end.
uthi nakhe la ngiyothatha.
No one is going to vote for me if I'm here.
Ngeke uzongivotela
I must
ngila.
prove myself.
Kumele ngiziveze.
I must move here.
ngisuke la.
If they don't take me here,
Ngoba bengangithathi
I must
la.
move up to this level. I'm looking for the level of imminence.
Ngicinga izinga lokuhlonishwa.
But if something goes wrong in your house,
Kodwa bakhona okungekho kahle.
you are the majority because you have been given the responsibility.
Ukhulile ngoba wena unikwe
You must stand up and say, this is not happening in my
kumele
house.
wena ushaye phansi konyawo.
You must become a man.
Kumele ube indoda.
Don't do things that men do.
Ungenzi izinto ezenziwa amadoda.
Be a man.
Kodwa iba indoda.
Manhood
Ubudoda
must be in you.
kumele kube kuwe.
You must ooze out manhood.
Kumele uthethele.
You must leave manhood.
Uphile ubudoda.